Hello, Jose and Angie. Welcome to Banco por Patria. Today we are going to are you interviewed. My name is Nadis. How are you today? What's the weather like today?
Good morning, my name is Jose, and today is a sunny day.
Good morning, my name is Angie, and today is an amazing day.
Okay, what is your hometown?
I am from Valledupar.
I am from Bogota.
What is your telephone number?
My phone number is 30052AC174.
My phone number is 301239305.
Okay, what do you study?
I study public accounting.
I study a public accounting.
Okay, what is your occupation?
I work as an administrative assistant.
I work as a file assistant.
Okay, what is your tell me about your family.
My family is lovely, fun and kind.
My family is very council and will all support each other.
Okay, you like with?
I like with my wife and daughter.
I live with my husband.
Okay, tell me with do you want to work in this company?
Because it is a good place to work and provide many benefits to its employees.
I want to work in this company to have experience and grow professional and economic.
Okay, what relevant experience do you have?
I have good criteria to perform any task.
I have experience in customer service, financial documentation, and cashier.
What information do you know about this company?
I know it is a bank with a good reputation.
Is it global financial company?
Okay, thanks for your time. With you is high.
Bye bye.
Okay, thanks.